ITI has developed software tools since 1994. ITI presents EasyScan Solutions as our newest product line offering. EasyScan Solutions is your partner. We help you efficiently and effectively scan your documents using a kiosk-type approach, offering users step-by-step instructions. Our apps add new functionality to a multifunction device or completely transform it into a kiosk, offering workflow solutions tailored to your industry or your own specific office. Our apps are simple to use, streamlining the scan process to ensure all users scan and name documents in a consistent manner. Ultimately, our apps scan a series of documents, sending digital versions of each document to a file folder on your server. Your document management system will retrieve the digital files from this file folder, offering long-term storage and efficient search capabilities. Let us show you how easy it really is.
Scroll down, select the Easy Registration for Childcare. If you use ID numbers for your students, place it in the box here. When you click in the box, you'll see the keypad pop up. Just select the number option on the lower left hand side, or select with your finger or swish out to the left this little icon on the right hand side, and a number keypad will open up. Close it out. First name, enter. Last name, enter. Select the Continue button. Place the student's photo on the glass on the upper left hand corner of the screen as you see here in the picture. Select Scan. Place the enrollment application in the document feeder. Select Scan. Place the financial contract in the document feeder. Press Scan. Place the student's ID on the glass in the upper left hand corner as you see here. Press Scan. Place the student's shot records on the glass or in the automatic document feeder. Press Scan. If there are any other type of documents or forms that need to be scanned, put it in the document feeder or on the glass as shown here. Select the other option. Clear it out. Put something new in here. Select Scan. Once you've scanned in all of your documents, you may have additional documentation. If you have anything additional out of one of these options, maybe the photo, you scan the photo of one parent but not the other, and you want to keep those separate, select Rescan. And now you can scan the other parent's documentation in the upper left hand corner. Select Scan. It puts you right back through the process, so it'll keep going through all the documentation where you left off, so you can keep selecting Skip or go back to the screen we were just on previously, which is the Finish. And now you see all the documents again. Maybe you have another document that isn't listed within the options here, so we'll select Other, Add More. Place any more documents on the glass or the document feeder. Select within the box so we can further define the document. Select Enter. Select Scan. Okay. If you've scanned everything for this student, select the Finish button. It goes back to the main screen. You can start with another student, entering their information and going through the scanning process, or select Exit to go back to your Copier home screen. This concludes the demonstration for the Easy Registration for Childcare. After you have scanned your documents using the Easy Reg for Daycare apps on your Xerox Connect Key enabled device, you can access your scanned documents within the Imaging Made Simple system. If you choose to enable the user security feature, you will be prompted to enter the username and the password. Otherwise, click from the drop-down, choose the Easy Reg for Daycare, and for the most part, you would probably be searching using the quick search feature. It's very simple and it'll probably produce most of the results that you're looking to achieve. We could even hit the switch view option so that all you see is the quick search option. Simply type one of the search fields that you had entered data in initially at the device. Let's start with some names. We'll start with partial name, M-I-C-H, search. So we've pulled up Michelle and Michael, different versions of the spelling. And we can see their last names here. You could spell it out completely to narrow that search down even better. We're narrowing our search down better. You might even do it by last name. You may have a lot of students under the same name. If you decide to use a student ID, you could just type that ID number in. That would ultimately be specific enough to only pull up one student records. Okay? So we've pulled up this student by student ID 933, and you see we have a contract, so you just click on it to view the document. This is just a sample document for this demo purpose, but you would just view the document. If it was multiple pages, which the contracts that you have signed are probably quite lengthy, you would just select from the drop-down option and advance to the 50th page or 150th page. You can also use the next or previous button to advance from one page to the next. Most students, you'll have multiple search fields for a student. So you have a contract, you might have updated residential information, you might have updated parental documents or approval documents for day trips to some event. So all of those with multiple occurrences can be tracked and logged and sent to this database. But then you would be able to easily determine which, if it's a repeat of the same document type, you'll be able to determine which version is the latest and greatest. You could even apply version control. So let's do some more searches in the advanced search option. We're going to hit the switch view option. We're going to reset our search to view the entire database again. And what we want to do now is to search between a date range. So you can choose any of these options, but typically people are looking for a date range between one date and the next. And we'll search between 2014 date and a 2016 date. Search. There's still quite a bit of data in here to review, so that didn't quite narrow our search down enough. So we want to also apply a search by a certain type of document, so proof of residency maybe. Now search. Okay, now it reduced it down to about a couple of dozen records with various students here. You could then select the top column to sort by alphabetical, numerical, or date options. And we're looking at all the proof of residencies for the students in your class for a certain time frame or year. There are many other neat search options that you could perform within the Imaging Made Simple database. At this point, you have watched how to scan your documents using the Easy Reg for Daycare using the Xerox Connect Key device. We showed you a few search samples that you could perform within the Imaging Made Simple database. The Imaging Made Simple system offers many more functions and features, and we encourage you to view the brief demonstration within this website to learn more about Imaging Made Simple. This concludes our demonstration. We thank you for your time.